Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. We in the building. This is Big Ben. We're going to talk about, will this drop continue to go down? Will the market continue to go down? We're going to look at some charts. We're going to talk about the crypto market, give you guys some updates. If you don't know who I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. Okay, this is what I do full time, guys. I play no games, all right? How I make my money is from the charts. I only look at the charts. And I make my decisions based on that, and that's how I make my money consistently. The charts are the facts. It's just what it is, okay? I don't care about any news. I don't care about news at all. That's just a fairy tale world that, I really don't care about that. So if you're new to my channel, you want to learn more about how to make money, consistent money, just by looking at the charts, hit that subscribe button. During this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. I wasn't really trying to do a live stream today, but my wife is putting my daughter to sleep, so I'm bored right now. So I was like, hey, let's see if a couple of people is on YouTube. I don't know how many people is going to show up today, but it is what it is. Shout out to everybody that's going to show up today. Let's see if anybody's in the chat room so far. Merry Christmas to everybody. Let me pop out this chat room. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Merry Christmas. Okay, Merry Christmas to everybody that's in the chat room right now. Okay. Like I said, I honestly didn't think anybody's going to show up today because it's Christmas and it's late. But I'm bored myself. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, just me, my wife, and my daughter. So I don't have any family over. So hey, man, I'm on YouTube. Let's talk about what I love. I love to talk about the charts. I love to talk about financial education. I love to talk about life in general, improving yourself. I love that. So let's get to it, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here: Dan, Dom, Eric, Davina, Mason, Kentucky, Jesus, Dan, Crypto, Corey, Richard, Colin. Thanks a lot, guys. Superior, Matt. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. John, Ken. All right. So let's. I'm gonna get to you guys' questions later, but let's go over the charts. But let's go to coin market cap first. Okay. Right now, the market cap is at 129 billion. The dominance is at 51.5. Okay. That's still it's still letting me know that we are still in the bear market because the dominance is still high, it's still above 50. Okay. So today, nothing crazy. We saw this move actually last night when I was live. Okay. And now we have to see if this is going to continue tomorrow. Now, the way it looks right now, it looks like we might have a green day tomorrow. Okay. And if we do have a green day tomorrow, I definitely want to see how far we go up, okay? And how we close for that day. If it's just a little green bar, really not interested in that little green bar. I want to see if it's a nice strong bar for the most part, and to see if they want to go up one more time, okay? Because that's another possibility. That's another possibility on the table right now. There's another possibility we can try to go up one more time, okay? But at the same time, like I said before, guys, I really don't believe the Wells want to take this thing so high, okay? I don't really believe that the Wells want to take this thing so high. I think they want to keep it as low as possible. So I really don't see these guys pushing this thing up so high. only way I see that, guys, the only way I see these guys pushing up this high, like around 40, 46, 48, is if we decide to hold these levels go into January, okay, and then probably the first week of January, they bring up the market just to fool a lot of people. Okay, that's the only way I can see this thing go up. But other than that, I really don't see why, or it doesn't mean it really makes sense to bring this thing up. So let's look at the weekly real quick, guys. Let me go to that weekly real quick. So the weekly candle, okay, you see this weekly candle is red. So if we can stay bearish for the whole week, and then the following week, we continue to sell, most likely, yes. We most likely we're going all the way back to these lows. Okay. And on a weekly, it's very clear that this thing looks weak. It doesn't look strong at all. Okay. And like, it's like almost, it's like 90 something percent, that we're going to stop these guys out. There's a lot of stops underneath this lows right here, which is around 2,900. And that's the one of the areas I have circled on my chart. So there's a lot of stops. There's no reason why I don't see these guys going to this level and stopping these guys out. Okay. Now when we go to that level, can we hold that level? We'll see. Okay, but that's one of the levels that I'm looking at. So that's it for actually Bitcoin. And let's go to these other charts. I didn't really look at these other charts real quick. I'm quite sure they look the same. It's really nothing to talk about. Ethereum can actually, if Bitcoin decides to go up, Ethereum could reach all the way to here, okay, which is like around, depending on the time situation, around 170, 160. It can do that. It can definitely do that because we have a trend line right here. So it can go and test this trend line, but it don't have to because we do have resistance right here at this breakout, okay? So it don't have to go all the way back to this highs, but it could. But like I said, so far this week is a red week. We will have to see if they want to continue to sell. Let's see what's going on with Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin is really have a real bearish bar right here, and we will see if how Bitcoin perform to see if that's one if Litecoin wants to continue. Let's look at TRX. TRX is at resistance, and I think TRX has probably one. Well, let me see resistance. Well, we went up twice at this resistance, so it's a possibility we can go up one more time. But it is at resistance, so be careful with that. Let's look at XRP. Well, XRP actually has it has room to go back up again. Okay, but just be careful because what we could do is we could just since it's slammed down like this, we can do is chop around like this and then just break down. Okay, so be careful with XRP too. So what I'm really looking for, guys, is do these guys want to sell off at the end of the year? That's what I really want to see, because if they don't, then they playing a different game right now. Okay, they playing more like, okay, if they don't want to sell off the end of this year, most likely in January they're gonna do another pump. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this to see if they want to just bring this baby down. And I will get to you guys' questions. I will definitely get to you guys' questions. If you guys have any questions, I will definitely get to to these questions. But right now, what we're looking at is just a temporary bounce. And that bounce is looking weak right now. And the sellers are coming in, and the sellers look strong. Now, the possibility that we could actually bounce back up, but we just have to wait, okay? Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin, it is creating some type of inverse head and shoulders. So, that being said, the whales could, you know, create this temporary, okay, keyword guys, temporary inverse head and shoulders just to fool a lot of people, okay? So we could bounce around this area and go back up just to fool a couple people and just to go right back down, okay? So just be careful, you know, when it comes to that. So guys, if you have any questions, please type it in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, because over here, guys, all I do is look at the charts, and that's how I make my money full time. If you're not familiar with that, then this is the place for you. If you want to learn how to make money now, this is the place for you. Hit that subscribe button, okay? But if you want me to talk about moon this and moon that and lie to you, if you want me to lie to you, guys, this is not the place for you. I'm sorry, okay? It's not the place for you. So let me go to these questions real quick, and you know, we're going to answer some questions on Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody, though. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me give you guys another round of applause. Please go over how to short. I am going to buy, and I am good at buying and holding, but I want to change my thinking and learn how to short. Shout out to you, Superior. So you say you want to learn how to short. So basically, shorting is the opposite of buying, okay? Now with shorting, the thing with shorting is you just basically know how to read the chart, because most people, when they buy, they just buy blindly, okay? Now when you short, for the most part, you're dealing with leverage, and don't let that you know, confuse you, because you know, leverage is not a bad thing at all, but when you're dealing with, you know, when we shorten, you're dealing with leverage, and you putting a stop loss in place for the most part, and it's not like you're buying and holding, okay? So since you're doing something like that, you have to get in, you know, for a reason. Like, you just can't get in just because you think a coin is going down, okay? Because that's what most people do when they buy. They think, you know, Tron is going up, so let me buy right now. With shorting, you really have to understand how to read the charts. So the best thing to do is to look for you know, a certain pattern, okay, on the charts. Certain patterns repeat themselves over and over and over, okay? There's dozens of strategies. I mean, dozens of patterns that you can use. All right. For example, you can actually use, you know, if you want to use a flag pattern, that's a popular pattern you can use. All right. You know, I use other different strategies, but just to let you guys know, when you short the market, you're not, first of all, you don't have to own any crypto. That's number one. Okay. You don't have to own any crypto. You just have to have money in your account. Okay. And then it's the opposite of buying, guys. So it's very easy. So let's say, for example, the market is going down, and it's creating a nice flag pattern like this. All right. A nice flag pattern like this. All you have to do is, you know, when it breaks the flag pattern and goes down, you press the sell button, okay? Click the sell button. When the market goes down, you're going to see profit, okay? You're going to see your bank account go up. You're going to see more money go, is going into your bank account because you're making money to the downside. Okay. You don't have to own the coin. You don't have to do anything. And for the most part, you will set your take profit, and you will have a stop loss in place. Okay. That's how you short the market. You have to have a pattern or anything that allows you to get in the market. Okay. And once you see that, you take advantage of it. Okay, so I'm just giving you an example of what one pattern that you can just take advantage of the market. All right. Now, the reason why most people in the crypto space don't want to do something like this, number one, is because they've been lied to. Right? They've been lied to. They listen to people that's on in the crypto market that don't know anything about the financial world. Okay, most of these crypto YouTubers just started out. Okay, they don't know anything about nothing. So a guy like me that's basically doing this full time, okay, for 11 years plus, when I talk to a lot of people, it's like foreign. It's like a different language. All right. And they can't really understand what I'm trying to say. So they think automatically that I'm a big bear and I want to see crypto go down to zero. Automatically, that's what they think. Not knowing that, bro, I don't have any sides. I'm not a guy that, I pick a side and say I root for the Bulls or I root for the Bears. I don't care about none of that stuff. Okay. That's why my students know how to take advantage of the market going up or going down. So that's how you do it. All right. Let me go with some other questions. Went through the course today and loving it. Really step by step on what you're doing to short, man. Shout out to you, Superior. He bought the course and he's loving it. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Let me VIPP said, what's going on? Been live on Christmas? Yes, I'm live on Christmas right now. My wife is actually putting my daughter to sleep and I'm bored. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay. If you know anything about me, I really don't watch too much TV. I watch sports here and there. Actually, it was a NBA. I forgot. On Christmas, it's usually be NBA games. See, guys, I even forgot about that. I forgot about the NBA games on Christmas. Okay, because honestly, I was busy today doing a whole bunch of other stuff. But I don't really watch too much TV. I like to just improve as a person, as a investor, as a trader, and that's it. Okay. Shout out to Superior. Merry Christmas. 2019 is a year. Start making money, and thanks to Big Ben, that means even on every downturn. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Yes, you are 100% correct. You can make money no matter what. All right, no matter what. What's going on? Who knew? Money can be made in the coming days. Yes, it could. Crypto Mainsta said, bro, you tripping. We going up for sure. Where else are people going to invest their money? Okay. First of all, crypto, if I'm not mistaken, you the same guy that always talks about something, and leave the live stream before I even answer you. Okay. You're the same person that talk and then leave. Okay. So let's listen up, Crypto Mesa. when you say that we are going up for sure, okay, you know what you're saying to me? You're basically saying that you are God, you control the world, and you know everything before it happens. That's what you're saying to me. Okay? It's hard for me to deal with people like that because your reality is so twisted. Okay? That's why when I come on my live streams and I try to talk about how to make money now, most people can't understand because they stuck in this world where, you know, actually they stuck in 2017 when they made a whole bunch of money. Okay, a lot of people made a whole bunch of money in 2017, and they got lucky. Now they don't know how to make money, so every single month they will say we're going to the moon. That's the only strategy they have. Okay, so I don't know why you think that people are going to invest in a market that's going down. Let me know why. That doesn't make any sense, Crypto Mesa. Okay? You saying where else people are going to invest their money? First of all, why do people have to invest their money if the market's going down? See, you got it all twisted, guys. I mean, some of you guys have to stop listening to the news, society, YouTube. Who said people have to invest their money in a bear market? They don't. Stop thinking that people have to always invest their money. There's a group of investors that literally take their money out when they see things go down. And they have cash on the side and they're not dealing with anything. Okay? So that's why some of you guys really need to sit back, take notes, understand what's really going on, because most of you guys are learning and you think that you know it all. Okay, Bitcoin is down, what, 80-something%? XRP down, what? It went down like 90-something% this year. A lot of these coins went down like 90% this year. Why would someone, a sane person, guys, why would a sane person, all right, a person that, you know, has all their marbles would invest in a market that is going down so fast? It doesn't make any sense. So stop listening to YouTubers. Stop listening to the news and basically make money from the now. Okay? Because most of you guys don't even know how to stay in the now. Make money day by day. Like, look at the chart. Stop thinking about 5 years from now, 2 years from now, next month. You like, some of you guys are just so over, you know, like, just go crazy. Guessing all over the place. Guessing doesn't pay the bills. What's going on, John? Merry Christmas, bro. I'll read these questions real quick, guys. I'm going to these questions. What do I think about Tron at the moment? What I think about Tron at the moment, I think Tron right now is just basically just pumping up. I mean, Tron is actually known to pump up a lot and then just go right back down. Right now, we're looking at resistance right here. Okay, we are at resistance, so it's a strong possibility Tron will just continue to go right back to the breakout. You see this breakout right here? So most likely Tron will go back to the breakout. Now, I don't know if you're talking about chart-wise what I think about Tron or as a project. You know, overall, Tron, I do like Tron as a project, but at the same time, I'm not the person, or I'm not a person that get or caught up with the hype. Okay. I used to do that when I first started out being, when I first started out overall as an investor. I used to get caught up into the hype, in the hype, but I don't really care about the hype anymore. I'm more about, how can I make money? No disrespect, bro, but at a time like this, there's nowhere else to invest their money right now. People said Bitcoin was dropping to 3K and it hasn't yet. I can't do it. Not today, Mansa. I can't go back and forth with you. It's just I can't do it. Okay. Eco Crip said, thank you for your effort and lead us to great financial success. Yes, that's all I'm trying to do, guys, is educate you guys and help you, with your financial education. Chris D, thank you for that bonus class, bro. Much appreciated. Yes, no problem, Chris D. Is it crashing today? We mean, is it crashing today? You don't see the bar for today. This was the Christmas bar right here. Okay, a big red candle. Richard Lopez, it sure hell doesn't you said I done guess loss in this bear market, but you're right. That's because I did listen to YouTubers stumbling on your channel, slap my face. You speak the truth. Shout out to you, bro. Yeah, I mean, and when I'm talking to Crypto Mensa, it's and that's why I said I really can't do it, because what he's basically talking about is something that is inside his head. There's no facts behind whatever he's talking about. Okay, it's just I wish, I hope. Okay, and also I was talking to another guy the other day. Well, actually it was yesterday. I'm not gonna call his name out, but it was another guy named Crypto something. And basically, he was telling me about how was it Goldman Sachs coming in the market. And I try to have a decent conversation with him. I was saying, hey, bro, how do you know Goldman Sachs is coming in the market? Okay, well, he said it in a video. Well, okay, just because he said it means he's coming in the market. A lot of people say a lot of things, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay. So, he's like, why? So why would he lie or mislead people? Well, first of all, you don't really understand what these people is about. These people don't care about you, right? They will lie in your face, and I'm talking about the Wall Street people, okay? Because they have another agenda, okay? We all understand. Well, I personally understand how Wall Street works. These guys are slime balls. Like Wall Street, bro, they will take your money with a straight face. Okay, I know a lot of Wall Street guys behind closed doors. These guys really don't like crypto market. They think it's a freaking gamble machine. And when people talk about Wall Street, they don't remember that Wall Street came in at the top, shut the market all the way down. for some reason, people just have short memories, and then all of a sudden they want Goldman Sachs and back to come in so they can continue to short the market. I mean, anyway, so guys, we are in a bear market. Number one, you really have to understand that, okay? You know, it's hard for me to go back and forth with you guys. We are in the bear market, plain and simple. Okay? You don't have to believe me. Okay? Just look at the chart. That's it. All right? You do not have to believe me. Look at the chart. Okay? The chart is telling you we've been going down this whole year. Nothing on this chart right now is telling me we're going to reverse. Okay? We're down 80-something%. And it looks real weak. Okay? If I ask a 5-year-old, hey, 5-year-old, come here. Let me show you something. Let me ask you a question. Okay? Which way the market is going up? Is it going up or down? And this is 2017. Is this the market going up or down? That 5-year-old would say, oh, it's going up. I said, you know, and then I would say, yes, you are correct, okay? And I would say, hey, listen, 5-year-old, don't go nowhere. Let me ask you another question, okay? This year, starting January, is the market going up or down? Oh, man, the market is going down. Okay, all right, you can go back. You can go back and play, okay? Thanks a lot. So if a 5-year-old can look at the chart and tell me what's going on, why you guys are having, I don't really understand why you guys are having a hard time. Why are you trying to guess? Guys, come on, bro. This is why guys like me can actually go in the market, consistently make money month after month, week after week, because I don't try to guess what's going to happen next month, next 2 months, next 5 months, next year, next 2 years. Guys, it's just a guess. I don't try to guess. I go with the now, the NOW, now. What's in front of my face now? Okay? I look at the chart. What's in front of my face right now is the market is down. Guess what? Since the market is down, I'm going to short this until I see reasons not to short it no more. Right now, I don't see any reasons to go long. It's just what it is. Now, you can hate me for that, because at the end of the day, if you do hate me for that, that means that you have inner problems. You have a whole bunch of other problems that doesn't even have to do with crypto. Okay, you have I don't know, childhood problems, because if anybody hates a person that's telling a truth, okay, if the market is going down, it's going down. Okay, I'm not here telling you guys lies. It's just not a lie. I mean, let's look at the market. It's down. Okay, so if you get mad at me saying the market is down and it looks like it's going to continue to go down, that means you have childhood problems. You have problems that's way bigger than crypto that you need to fix. All right, because some of you guys really are acting like second graders. I am a professional. Guys, it took me a long time to get to my level. So don't think that I just popped up yesterday and you know, I'm talking like this. No, it took me a long time to actually get to this level. Okay. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, please type it in. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you are a person that can't take the truth, please unsubscribe. Okay, please unsubscribe. Hit that unsubscribe button right now. But if you are a person that wants to win, wants to learn how to make money consistently, want to learn how to make money to the point where you can actually eventually quit your job, hit that subscribe button, because this is what my channel is all about. Okay, I have multiple videos. Just click on my channel when you leave this live stream. Click on my channel. I have multiple videos of me trading live with live money, making money. Okay, this is what I do full time. Your favorite YouTuber can't tell you that. They can't say, hey, man, I'm doing this full time. What they can say is, bro, you know, I'm not doing nothing full time. I'm just basically making YouTube videos full time. Okay? That's the difference between me and other YouTubers. Now, with this market right now, guys, it looks like we are going to continue to go down. Okay? It looks like the people that bought in 2017, most likely those people, a lot of these people are going to either get wiped out or break even because the market is still not bloody yet. Okay. Yes, it went down, but it's still, we still have a lot of people that's still bullish. Okay. If you know anything about the bear market, you know the bear market is really designed to wipe you out. Too many people in the crypto space are still bullish. Okay. So we still, in my opinion, we have a lot of downside. So let me go back to these questions, guys, and keep going. CM, stop trolling and do some research. You know, some people just they just can't they can't get it. What's going on, Vingo? Dang, some people talk crazy about when and where. Yes, yeah, exactly. Let me read these questions right here. You said news about STO. What about STO? Is that a crypto, STO? I don't know exactly what you're talking about, STO. Crypto Mesa, I'm with you, Ben. I agree with you on that. But I only follow the charts. But not only I follow the charts, I only follow, you said, but I not only follow the charts, I follow common sense as well. See, the problem with common sense, Crypto Mesa, right, is common sense could actually fool you, okay? And I'm going to tell you why common sense could fool you. It's because a lot of the knowledge that you have inside your head right now, it came from somewhere else. Okay. So basically what I'm trying to say is 95% of the information that's in your head right now didn't come from you. Okay. So the way I measure common sense is based on results. Okay. I don't care about common sense, honestly, when it comes to business, because every time I have common sense, I lose money. I'm telling you, bro. Common sense doesn't work in the financial world. Maybe in the real world, if you're trying to take care of your family, survival, you know, different things like that. But in the financial world, nah. Common sense, bro. You know, and I talked about this a couple of streams back. Okay, I told you guys that success is not obvious. Okay, it's usually the opposite of whatever you're thinking about. That's why there's a lot of unsuccessful people. Okay, because they're using common sense, or they thinking about things and they think that's the right thing. And I can almost guarantee you 90-something% of the things you're thinking right now is the opposite. Let me continue to go. Okay, let me continue. You said Bitcoin's not gonna fall anywhere to zero. Well, I didn't say anything like that. Let me hear. I'm not saying Bitcoin going to zero. What I will say is Bitcoin might go under 1,000. What's going on, Menace? Merry Christmas. Russell said, really appreciate your postings, these videos. Keep it real. Thanks, man. Yeah, no problem. You know, shout out to you, Crypto Mesa. You said, but I'm here to learn, okay? And you know, that's all I want to do, guys. Give you guys knowledge, all right? That's all I want to do. What I use to short the market, I use a forex broker. Yes, Crypto Mesa, I use a forex broker. All right. You said I'm here to support you. All right. I don't give out signals when to buy and when to sell, because that means that that's taking out more time out of my schedule to do so. Okay. So with me, I give you guys the knowledge. Okay. And then you just basically use that knowledge and make yourself a professional. Okay. Once you learn this stuff, you'll realize that it's not that hard. You just have to practice like anything else. Okay. For you guys that don't have the course by now, check it out. I usually give you guys a discount. I didn't give you guys yet the discount this today on Christmas. So let me do that if you guys want that on Christmas. I give you guys 50% discount. The regular price is $300. Now it's $150. So if you want it, you know, if you want that, that's on you. I don't force anybody to buy my products, because at the end of the day, you know, it is what it is. I'm here to give you guys knowledge so you guys can wake up. Colin, share your link in Toronto. Your brain is free. Your brain is fire. Shout out to you, bro. You said, should I buy anything today? You know, first of all, let me ask you a question. Why are you thinking about buying anything, period? Okay. We are in a bear market. I mean, there's no reason why any investor should be buying any crypto, in my opinion, because I believe we can actually continue to go lower. Okay. The best thing for an investor to do is actually wait for a confirmation. You don't want to buy the dips because you think you think that we're going to go up. Wait for confirmation. Can you really teach us, or is this just a fab? Julian or Julian, ask my students. They will tell you. Okay, my students will tell you what's the deal. Hey, what's going on, James? Merry Christmas to you, bro. James said, Merry Christmas. I got destroyed all year and lost thousands. Going to give myself a Christmas gift and get your course now. Let me give you a round of applause. And James, I hope you didn't get the course yet, because I gave you that discount, okay? So if you're going to get the course now, the best time to get it is right now, because I just gave you the discount. But shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Okay? I'm giving you a round of applause for a couple of reasons. Number one, you know, it sounds like you want to better yourself and basically go to 2019, you know, and have or create better habits. Okay? Number two, you're actually being honest. Like, a lot of people is really not honest. So shout out to you just being honest, man. You know, because it's not easy. Okay, it's really not easy seeing the money that you worked hard for. I don't care what anyone said, guys. I don't care what anybody says. It's very hard, guys, to see your money that you've been working hard for pretty much your whole life disappear right in front of your eyes. Okay, month after month, these crazy YouTubers been telling you to buy the dips. We going up soon. Buy the dips. We going up. Buy the dips. We going up. Buy the dips. We going up. And it's just been going down. So I trust me, guys. I know what you're going through because I've been through this. Okay, I started out in 2008 in that crazy bear market, so I understand, bro. I saw big banks go belly out. Like these big banks done. Okay. So I know what you guys going to do. So that's why I'm trying to help you guys out and say, hey, bro, you don't have to go through this, man. Like I did all the, I did all the hard work for you guys. So I know what you guys going through. Like some of you guys are losing a lot of money. And I remember the one guy, he actually emailed me, and this is way before we actually broke 6,000. He said he was down 150K. Okay, and this is way before we broke 6,000. So imagine what he's down right now. Okay, he was down 150K. So basically, and he said that was part of his retirement. So I know what you guys are going through, man. I hope you guys really wake up, because 2019 is really coming real soon. Some of you guys really think that a bull market is coming 2019, and I'm looking just from my experience. I'm looking at this chart, and I don't see any type of indication that's telling me a bull market is coming. Okay. Will we have pullbacks like this? Yes, we always going to have pullbacks like this. Okay, we always going to have the market going up like this, just to pull back, and people taking profits, the market faking you out, trapping you. Yes, we always going to have things like that. But overall, we are in a bear market, guys, and you really have to understand that. Now, another thing about the bear market is you really have to understand that you don't have to be scared of a bear market. You don't. You actually should embrace it. Like, I love it. Okay, right now the stock market is crashing. Okay, let's go to the NASDAQ real quick. It's crashing, and if you guys been following me, you know that I trade the futures market. Okay, I trade S&P 500. I trade crude oil. All the products that's on in the futures market, and I love it. I love when the market crashes. I love it, guys. Okay, I love it. Why? Why do I love it? Because I understand that you can actually make money while the market is crashing. Okay? There's nothing to be scared. Like, you shouldn't be scared at all. All right, so let me go back to these questions real quick. Crypto said, bro, I didn't come from my head. He said, I just watched the stock market fall since September. It's dropping like flies. This is happening globally. So where's the money going? That's all I'm saying. Okay. So basically what you're saying is, where's the money going? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, Crypto Mesa, you really have to understand how the financial world works. Okay, before you just come up with these crazy, I don't know, statements. Just because the market is crashing doesn't mean the money is going somewhere else. It could be people are selling and putting money to the side. I don't really think you understand what I'm trying to say. When people sell, okay, that doesn't mean that they're selling and taking that money and putting it in other markets. No. Okay? It means that they're selling and actually putting the money back in the bank, and they're having cash on the side. That's what I'm trying to explain to you, bro. They don't have to sell and buy another investment vehicle. They don't have to do that. They can sell, have that cash on the side, wait till things settle down. Okay, let me go back to these questions, because Crypto Mesa, we've been going back and forth too much. I can't really do that. Let me see here. Let me see. Let me go back. Why wouldn't it come into crypto when it's falling? I've been talking about this the whole day. Okay. First of all, let me ask you a question. Why would it come to crypto? Okay. Why would it? Okay. It's for me, it's hard to go back and forth with this topic because it's a common sense. Like some of you guys say common sense, right? Like, guys, just think about it. Let's say that you never heard of crypto in your life, okay? Let's say that you never heard of crypto and you're in the stock market, okay? And the stock market is crashing right now. And you look at, and someone told you about cryptocurrency, and you looked at it, and you looked at the chart, you looked at Bitcoin, and you see Bitcoin is down 80% from the highs of this year. Would you say, oh man, this looks like a great investment. I'm going to take all my money and I'm going to throw it in Bitcoin? Don't you guys see what I'm talking about? I can't keep on going back and forth with this same topic. Mike said, "I'm new. What is confirmation?" Mike, I will try to give you confirmation later on. I talked about that a lot, but just give me if I remember, I will show you confirmation on a chart, because most of you guys really do have to wait for confirmation before you do anything. Okay, and I'm gonna try to get to that later on, Mike. All right. What's going on, Swazzer? Swazzer said, "I'm making real money every day thanks to Ben." Shout out to Swazzer. Swazzer actually was one of my students, and he's making money. And I have the proof to show you guys. Okay, this is not just me just talking. Okay, I have real proof. Shout out to Mike. I am new. Can you show me confirmation? Oh, man, Mike, you did that to me? Mike gave me a super chat. Let me give him a round of applause. Mike is new. He gave me a $2.99 super chat. So, I guess I'm forced to show him that confirmation. So shout out to you, Mike. I'm gonna show you the confirmation. Since you gave me that super chat, and because you're new, okay? Because you're new to the channel, and you didn't really have to give me a super chat in the first place, okay? So honestly, I understand. Given, and you shall receive. So let me go to the last crash we had, okay? And let me show you confirmation. Okay, so let me go here. And this is the last crash that we had, guys, all right? Now, this is actually what I'm looking for in the first place anyway, okay? For a bottom, I'm looking for the market to flatline, okay? And flatline is basically when the market just goes nowhere, just flatline, goes sideways for a long time. That's what I'm really looking for. Okay, we haven't done that yet. We just going down and going down and going down. Anyway, this is what confirmation looks like, Mike. Okay. Now you see the market is going sideways for a long time. Now check this out, Mike. Okay, while we going sideways, we making higher highs, right? Okay. Not only that, we going sideways. We finally broke out of the sideways motion, right? And now we making another higher high, okay? If you look at Bitcoin chart right now, we never made anything like this yet, okay? Anyway, we making higher highs. We broke out of this consolidation. Guess what, Mike? When we broke out of this consolidation, we pulled back, okay? So, Mike, remember, Mike, this was, I don't know if you know how to read the charts, but this is called resistance, okay? This is called resistance. We have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. That means that the market can't go any higher, okay? Now, when the market broke this resistance, that resistance actually turned into support, okay? So that tells you that if this market can't go down lower because we hit support, that means there's a strong possibility we will continue to go down. I mean, continue to go up, okay? Now, let's say that there's a couple of ways you could have played this situation. You could have played it where when we broke back into the resistance zone and we found support, you could have bought around here somewhere, right? Or you could have said, you know what, I'm going to wait for more confirmation. Okay, and check this out, Mike. You got more confirmation right here, okay? The market consolidated and created a nice little triangle and broke out of the triangle, Mike, okay? So this is super confirmation right here. We got higher highs. We got the market breaking out of the consolidation, breaking back, finding support, going back up, and breaking out this triangle. Now, Mike, check this out. This is the big deal, okay? Out of this whole thing I'm talking about, okay? Now, I imagine you, Mike, when you saw Bitcoin break out of this triangle, right? And let's say that you bought Bitcoin at $500, Mike, all right? Because this is what I'm trying to teach people. A lot of people that claim that Bitcoin is going to moon up next month, 2 weeks from now, a couple of months from now. All these people that claim that Bitcoin is going to moon, right? All these guys are guessing. I don't care what they say. They're guessing. Okay? They're guessing. My strategy is forget about guessing. Let's wait for confirmation. Okay? Now, when you wait for confirmation, yes, you don't catch the bottom, but who cares about the bottom? Okay? Because you're not losing money. So let's say that you bought Bitcoin right here at 500, right? And you rolled this baby all the way up. Okay, let's say that you didn't sell at the top, but let's say that you sold at 17,000, Mike. Okay, let's say that you sold at 17,000. Okay, Mike, are you going to tell me that you're going to get mad that you didn't buy at the bottom? Are you gonna get pissed off and say, man, I wish I bought at the bottom, man. I'm a dummy. No, you're not gonna get pissed off because you made so much money. Okay? You did the right thing. You wait for confirmation. Okay? Now, guys like me, this is what I do. All right? I'm a professional. Now check this out, Mike. Okay? Check this out. Meanwhile, most people, what they do is they buy the dips. They suffer. They blow out their whole bank account, right? Throughout this whole market. Guys like me, I don't do none of that stuff. You know what I do, Mike? I short the market, make money, grow my account. Guess what? When a bull market comes, guess what? Now I have more money to play with. Now I'm buying the dips. I'm buying more dips. I'm buying the dips. I'm making more money. Don't you see the difference? The strategy that I just showed you, Mike, is based on years of experience, and not only that, it is how you can actually make consistent income. Okay, most people in the crypto space, all they know how to do is buy, and that's it. The problem with that is, right? There's going to be a point where the market is not going up, okay? And we are in a bear market, and you're stuck, and you're waiting for that bear market, okay? Now, my channel is about making money consistently, right? So you can quit your job eventually. Now, there's no way in the world you can quit your job by buying and holding alone, okay? You can't quit your job by buying and holding alone because it's going to be points where the market is not going up and you just got to suffer for years, okay? And I'm not talking about 1 year, 2 years. I'm talking about 4 years, 5 years or more, okay? So some of you guys really have to understand how to read the charts. I hope that was a good, a good example, Mike. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot for tuning in and definitely hit that subscribe button. Bobby said that cost is the only thing you should buy today it's the best Christmas gift you can receive. Give yourself. Yeah, thanks a lot, Bobby. I appreciate that. Bobby's actually one of my students, so he should know. So shout out to you, Bobby, man. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Man, it said the chart will never lie. The chart will never lie. Yes, you are 100% correct. The chart will never lie. Okay. Okay, let me go over these questions, guys. Chris said, I still believe that we will see the total market cap fall at least 70 billion USD. Yes, it is definitely possible. Okay. I don't know the day or the month, but it's definitely possible. What's good to invest in now the market has crashed? You talking about the stock market or the crypto market? First of all, if the market is crashing, you don't want to invest. Okay, you actually want to do the opposite. You want to short the market. Crypto Mensa said, I would love for you to come on my Facebook group page. Has over 5K members and kick some knowledge as well as sell your course for a discount for $150. Definitely want to help and support. Shout out to you, Crypto. Well, just email me and, we can actually talk about that. Okay, shout out to you, bro. If you don't have my email address, I give it to you right here. Let me see. Yeah, that's my email address. If you're still on the live stream, that's my email address. And we could talk about that. Let me see here. What's going on, Dom? Appreciate that. Big. You said that this bear market may even last. Yes. Chris D. Shout out to Chris D. He says, shout out Big Ben. The day trading course is the truth. Been studying for 2 months on a demo. I'm going live tomorrow. The first time. He should have charged $3,000. Yes, he's absolutely correct. I should have charged way more. Right now, you guys are getting a Christmas discount with the day trading course. Okay, the regular price is $950. You're getting a Christmas discount, $200 off. It's gonna probably be this all the way until the end of the year. And this course is about showing you how to make money daily. Okay. And it's dealing with the futures market. It's not crypto, but it's the futures. Okay, you guys talking about Wall Street. Well, guess what? I'm making this Wall Street money. So, if you want to learn more about that's the course with that. But Chris is actually one of my students, and he sees the type of potential and the money that he can make. Okay, Swazzer actually is one of my other students. He's making a lot of money too from day trading. So make sure you read statements fully. What statement you're talking about? I didn't give you guys the link for this. If you want to, oh boy. I said, why would it come to crypto? Why would it come to crypto? Oh, okay. I hear you, bro. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot. I'm a human being at the end of the day, bro. I have a lot of people typing in and a lot of people trolling and a lot of people doing a lot of stuff. So, at the end of the day, I'm a human being. I apologize, I can't read everything correctly the first time. But shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, Crypto Mainsta. All right, so The Rook said, just bought your course, though. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Thanks a lot, The Rook. You're talking about the crypto course? Since you bought the crypto course, what I want you to do is email me, okay? If you don't have my email address, it's down there somewhere, because the course comes with a Discord room. So I want you to get that Discord room, okay? And also, when you email me, just send me proof that you got the course, okay? Is Coinbase down? I don't know. I don't know. What's going on, Sanda? Dom said, guys, listen to Big Ben. Please, his words and knowledge are gold. Thanks a lot, bro. I appreciate those kind words. Bitcoin Cash is going up right now. Yeah, Bitcoin is going up right now too. Okay. Just because you see one green bar doesn't mean that it's mooning up. It's just, you know, going up a little bit. You're probably the best. You're probably the best one I've been following, and appreciate your help. I definitely want to buy your program. I have learned shorten a bit. Yeah, I learned shorten a little bit. Okay, I know you're talking about. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot for that super chat again. Thanks a lot, bro. Let me give you a round of applause. Anyone use Thinkorswim trading software? Yeah. I mean, what about it? I have Thinkorswim platform. Do you see possibility for consolidation for a bit and drop for the year? It's very hard, man. Like I'm looking at this right here. And what I could, it's a possibility we could consolidate. What I really want is I want to see how this week plays out, because a couple of things they can do is just continue to sell this bad boy down, or like you said, they can consolidate and then sell it off. Now, if they don't sell it off by the end of this year, most likely we're probably going to go up again, probably in January. We will see, though, because right now this actually looks very bullish right here. I mean, very bearish right here. So, it definitely looks very bearish. So, it looks like they don't really want to bring this thing up so high. Neo is a good investment when the price falls and to turn around $3 or lower. I'm reading these questions real quick, guys, because I'm backed up. Superior said, keep speaking the truth, man. Thanks a lot, bro. You said waiting for the course to download. I'm excited to learn. Yes, the Rook. Let me give you another round of applause, bro. And if you have any questions, let me know. And like I said, the Rook, you have my email address. Okay, email me, the Rook, and just email me with proof so I can give you that Discord room, so you can chat with me and my students. You said you noticed that the price is stuck at 3,800 for a half an hour. Yeah, I mean, that's how sometimes it is. It gets stuck at a price, and then next thing you know, boom, it goes up or it goes down. But it looks like we probably going to either go up a little bit or maybe consolidate a little bit. We'll see. What's going on, Lauren? James said, I just bought your course and I'm pumped. I'm ready to learn. Let me give you a round of applause. I didn't even see that, bro. Thanks a lot, man. Let me hit these bombs for you guys, bro. I'm hitting these bombs because I'm just, you know, happy to see people I'm happy to see people waking up and realizing the bull market is not the only market you can actually make money. And you can actually become much smarter in a bear market. So when that bull market comes, you guys are going to make a ton of money, okay? That's how it works. What's going on, Mikey Diamonds? I haven't seen you in a minute. You said press that clap button. I did. I pressed it already. Lauren said Ben started the course, and I promise you. You said I promise I will follow your lead. Make some mistakes and make some coins. Yes. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Shout out to you guys, man. I appreciate all you guys. Appreciate all you guys joining me on Christmas. And you know, I hope you guys are just starting to practice, study the market, so you can get prepared or be prepared for 2019, guys. All right, 2019 is a new year. I don't really want you guys to have the same habits or bring the same habits into 2019. Okay. I want you guys really to become professionals, right? That's the only way you guys are going to make money. When guys talk reckless, saying this and that, you know, you guys really have to understand everything is based on, you know, or success is based on a system that you follow. It's not based on guessing. But if you guys have any more questions, let me know. And also, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Okay, right now, hit that subscribe button right now. Especially if you're tired of seeing your portfolio down, hit that subscribe button, guys. All right, hit that subscribe button. Now, I want to show you guys something real quick, because I actually talked about this before, guys. I talked about this before. This was probably, I don't know, a couple of months back. All right. And basically, guys, right in this article, they talking about Americans. Okay. But this is not just Americans. It's just, you know, overall everywhere. But anyway, they say that 61% Americans do not have enough money saved to cover 6 months of living expenses, right? 49 of Americans are currently living paycheck to paycheck, right? 68% of respondents' investment strategy does not account for a recession, guys. All right, and 64% of Americans do not have a secondary source of income. Okay, now let's go back to this one, guys. 68% of all respondents' investment strategies does not account for a recession. Okay, and that's what most people. That's why most people right now are getting wrecked. Okay, they see their portfolio go down because they don't have a strategy okay, for the recession. So if the stock market goes down, these guys getting wrecked. If Bitcoin is going down, a lot of people are getting wrecked because they don't have a strategy for, a recession or when things go bad. Okay, and most people really don't understand that these recessions, okay, they can actually last for a long time. I'm talking about 5 years, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years. Okay, so imagine you guys waiting that long for some type of results. And not only that, your result or your coin is not 100% guaranteed to go back up. That is basically the definition of depression, guys. Like, literally, you're going to be real depressed. I'm sorry to say, but I mean, if I'm waiting 8 years and I see my coin still at the same price that I bought it at, man, that's depression, guys. That's real depressing. So some of you guys really have to step up your game. Okay, 2019 is coming real soon. Okay, coming real soon. And this stuff is true, guys. Okay, the way I do my things, like right now, the way I do things, I like to have my whole year paid off. Okay, so all my bills the whole year is paid off, and that's how I like it. Okay, right now I'm in a position where I make enough money where, in one day I can just pay all my bills. And I know that sounds crazy, but on average I can make $1,000 to $5,000 a day. Okay, so one day I can pay my bills and I'm done. Like, I'm paying my bills for the month, and so just think about that. Like, I can go where I can just pay my whole year off and I'm straight for the whole year. All right. I want you guys to get to that level. Now, a lot of you guys is living paycheck to paycheck. Okay, this is why I tell you guys, you really have to build a skill that will allow you to generate more monthly income, guys, even if you have a job. Because some of you guys really don't understand that if you have a job, you can still swing trade. Okay, you can swing trade cryptocurrency, you can swing trade forex, commodities, whatever the case is, and you can bring in additional income. Okay, bring up that cash flow, that monthly cash flow. All right, and also, guys, I don't really care what you do. At the end of the day, you can sell books online. Like, you can sell books on Craigslist. I don't care what you do. Sell clothes on eBay. Do something to help you generate more monthly cash flow, because a lot of you guys are living paycheck to paycheck. Okay. Now, when it comes to investment strategies, some of you guys only talk about hodl, buy. You guys really have to change the way you think. I'm sorry. You have to change the way you think. I blame it on society for the most part, but at the end of the day, we all are adults, so you can't just blame it all on society. Okay, you really have to wake up and say, man, these guys been lying to me my whole life, and these YouTubers are so lost. These guys telling you every single time, buy the dip, hodl. Guys, there's nothing wrong with hodling, but at the end of the day, you can't make it your only strategy, bro. You can't. You're going to be depressed. Stop thinking that the bull market is coming tomorrow. I mean, I don't get it. Why you guys think the bull market? You don't know the future. No one knows the future. This thing could last for years. Guys, years, all right? What else? And, like I said, a lot of these people don't have secondary incomes, okay? And some of you guys really just have to build skills, enough skills to the point where you generate so much money, we're not worrying about your long-term investments. And I talk about this all the time, guys. I talk about this all the time, okay? Imagine you guys, imagine you making 10K a month, 15K a month, 20K a month, 10K a month, another 15K a month, right? And let's say that you decide to take this 15K, invest it in Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, whatever, and let's say that you down 90%, right? You don't, guys, once you're making this type of money, you don't care. Because next month, guess what? You made 20, you're making 20 G's. Next month, you're making 10 G's. Next month, you're making 50. This is, guys, this is this is how the rich operate, guys. All right? The strategy that these YouTubers are telling you to do, these guys are rookies. And that's what, guys, rookies, that's the only way rookies operate. All right? The name of the game is build your monthly cash flow. You don't say, man, I'm going all in and, I hope this thing will work out. You don't do things like that, guys. All right? Even the guys that you love, like Warren Buffett and all these guys that hodl, even those guys have daily, weekly, monthly income coming in. You think Warren Buffett only makes money from his buy and hold? No, he makes money daily, bro. And this is what I'm trying to help you guys realize. That's where the money's at. And you do it by swing trading or you do it by day trading, okay? You just practice every single day. Practice day by day, little by little, week by week, month by month, okay? Stop being lazy, guys. 2019 is coming real soon, and that's how you do it. I'm about to get out of here soon. If you guys have any questions, you can type it in. But I'm about to get out of here soon. Let me see if I see any more questions real quick. I'm sitting in a hotel room, $300 a night, looking over the city. Spend 1/3 of the money I made today live. Good life. I'm going over the course again, making that money. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Living that good life at a hotel. Shout out to you, bro. Superior. Ron said, Ronnie, I believe I'm saying that right. Ben, thanks for all that you do. Enlighten the masses. 2019 will be a good year, up and down. Whatever the market brings, I will have both of your course next month. Let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot. I appreciate that. Definitely do, because it's honestly, it's really not easy for me to come on here and basically give you guys the knowledge, especially in a young space like the crypto space, because a lot of people, when I talk, a lot of people don't get what I don't really understand what I'm trying to say, because it sounds foreign to them. Okay, it sounds very, very foreign. But thanks a lot. You said, could it jump to 6K right now? I mean, why would it jump to 6K? I mean, it doesn't make any sense to jump to 6K. So, I don't think that's possible right now. I think they want to keep it as low as possible and continue to go down. They might decide to go up one more time, but going back to 6K, I mean, that's very hard to see right now. Superior said, I will still send you some pics if you want them. Yes, you can send me some pics. All right, so I'm about to get out of here, guys. I appreciate it. I'm about to get some rest. No trades for an hour on Coinbase. Okay. All right, guys. So I definitely appreciate it. I hope you guys had a good Christmas, and I hope you guys continue to have a good Christmas. If you guys are not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. If you don't have my course already, you can check it out. And also, if you have any questions, you can email me. All right. Happy holidays. And I'm not too sure if I'm coming on it tomorrow or not, but if I do, I'll see you guys tomorrow. But guys, always look to study, always look to improve, always look to go to the next level, guys. Don't be one of these guys that's a hardcore hodler that only look at the news and sit on his butt, okay? Because a person that's sitting on his butt is a person that's not improving. It's just he's just waiting. How can you improve by waiting and hoping? Is it possible? So even if you're holding right now, you should always look to improve. Okay. I don't people don't understand. Like, I don't really care if you don't get my course or not. Okay. As long as you wake up and improve and look to go to the next level, that makes me happy. All right. So talk to you guys later. Shout out to you, Dan. Thanks so much, Ben. Have a lovely Christmas. Yes, shout out to you. Same here, bro. And all you guys, thanks a lot. Paul said, if you in the stream, you must have a copy of Ben's course. Yes, thanks a lot, bro. Thanks a lot, everybody, for coming through. And you said, what platform do I use for swing trading and day trading? Swing trading would be the crypto market. So I use a forex broker, javx.com, but you can use other brokers. And for the futures, I use Sierra Charts. All right, guys. So I'm out of here. I'm out to get some rest. Tomorrow the market opens. Okay, I day trade the futures market. So tomorrow the market opens at 9:30. So let me get some rest. And I'll talk to you guys later. And have a great day, guys. All right.